chicken lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have 5 healthy chicken recipes to lose weight. Let's get cooking and embark on your journey to a healthier you. Wait, before starting the chicken recipe video, we introduce you with alpha-liin, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 5, Lemon Garlic Chicken Skewers. We have lemon garlic chicken skewers as our 5th recipe. They're perfect for a barbecue. Marinate chicken pieces in a lemony garlic sauce and skewer them for grilling. These skewers are a tangy and satisfying option. Recipe 4, Spinach and Feta Stuffed Chicken. Our 4th recipe is spinach and feta stuffed chicken. It's elegant and slimming, stuffed chicken breasts with a mixture of spinach, feta, and herbs. This dish is a delightful combination of flavors and textures. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 3, Asian-inspired chicken stir-fry. For an international flair, try our Asian-inspired chicken stir-fry. Stir-fry chicken with colorful vegetables and a savory Asian sauce. This dish is packed with nutrients and bold flavors. Recipe 2, Baked Pesto Chicken. Next up, we have baked pesto chicken. It's a taste of Italy without the guilt. Coat chicken breasts with a layer of pesto sauce and bake until golden. This chicken is rich in flavor and low in calories. Recipe 1, Grilled Lemon Herb Chicken. Our first recipe is grilled lemon herb chicken. It's a burst of zesty freshness. Marinate chicken breasts in a mixture of lemon juice, herbs, and olive oil. This chicken is tender, juicy, and full of flavor. Ready to shed those extra pounds. Get alpha-liin? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video.